So the final piece of the puzzle, what we were going to quickly show you and cover, is then how do we then extract that information? But obviously, once it's captured in the system, one of the great tools is the Power BI. Again, another tool within that whole Microsoft tool set that we have. So here we're using Power BI to basically extract all of that grant and financial information and present it in such a way that the end user can just point and click and deliver a true self-service view of all of that financial information. So across the top here, you'll notice I've got a couple of boxes where I can pick and choose as the consumer of this information. I can pick and choose what exactly it is I want to view. Do I want to use 2018 or 2019? Do I want to focus on a particular group of grants, my MRI Group 2 grants? Do I want to look at a particular manager who's managing particular grants or financial information or financial areas in my organization? And as I do, you notice as I'm clicking here, all of the financial information I'm viewing is getting filtered accordingly, right? So I can click and drill down and view a specific grant and so forth, and I get all the information I'm viewing is obviously now focused on that particular grant within that particular financial year, within that particular area, et cetera, et cetera. And you can see here, I'm just going to quickly flick through a couple of different views of the world. That was just a sort of a high-level dashboard view of all my grants. Here is now I'm viewing grants, and I've got a nice almost P&L style view here. And I quickly want to show you how at this level here, where I can say, okay, if there's a particular cost or expense that I want to focus on, I can right-click and say drill through. So I can go right down to detail level as if it was a financial report anyway, yeah? So go to the grant summary screen. It's more of this again, just a different view again of the world. Now I'm viewing a one-liner for each grant in income, expenses, the net position of that particular grant. Now, this could be grant, this could be, I could focus again on a group, get a total by the group, et cetera, et cetera. All of this, all interactive and all geared around that self-serve.